Jacqueline, and this is Low Carb Lish. If you're new here, we are a channel that makes low carb, tasty, delicious, easy foods for people that are trying to manage type 2 diabetes and for people that are on keto and trying to lose weight. So if you're new here, welcome aboard, welcome to the family, and let's get started. Hey guys, I just wanted to come on and give you guys an update on Maddison, and also we're going to be doing a giveaway today. So for those of you that watched the last couple of videos, you know that Maddison was diagnosed with lymphoma. So she's right now, she's hanging tough. She's sitting at my feet right now. I'm filming. She's having steroid shots, which are helping with the swelling in her neck and her throat, and she's on some medication to help with some tummy issues that she's been having. But she's doing pretty good. She's still sleeping a lot, which the vet said, you know, that's to be expected with all of this, but so far so good, and we'll keep you updated on that. So the other thing is, I told you in the last video where I was doing a little small giveaway, and what I'm giving away today is a tumbler and some snack boxes like the ones I use. My friend Sarah sells Tupperware, and so I bought this from her because I love my coffee. I'm having my coffee this morning, and it's delicious. But I'm getting ready to run some errands, and so I'm going to take my coffee with me. And this little tumbler is cool because it's got a little piece to it, if I can get it off here, that comes up that helps you hold it when you got something super hot in there. I'll never have that stuff that's super hot in mine, but it's nice to have if you do. The top comes off. It's got a little rubber thing that swirls over to close it up when you're not using it. And I found these little snack things at one of the Dollar Trees around me, I think is where I got these. And at the time, I bought like 6 of them. And I'm like, what? I don't know why. Sometimes I just do that. I don't need 6 of them. But they're a nice size little tray, because a lot of times when I'm running errands, like I have to run today, I'll put low carb trail mix in there with like some Lily's chocolate chips and some nuts or something, and snack on those while I'm on the go if I don't have time to eat breakfast or whatever. So today's giveaway is another tumbler and a set of 2 of the little containers for your snacks. And I didn't realize when I purchased this one from Sarah, and I got it because it's pink and I love pink, that another one came with it. And so it's got this orange one that's with it, exactly the same, just the color's different. And then I had inadvertently bought orange snack things too, so I thought that would be a perfect little fun giveaway. So if you want to participate in the giveaway and you want to play, when you go to the comments below this video, just put 5 exclamation points in front of your comment, and that will let me know that you want to be entered into the giveaway. And it'll be a random picker. I'll either do a random thing on the computer where the computer will pick the number that I assigned to each person's name, or we'll do pick it out of a hat, one way or another. But anyway, that's the giveaway for today, and I hope that you guys will come and play, and I'll let you know who the winner is, and we'll get that out to you right away. So thanks again for checking in with me. Thanks again for checking on Maddison, and thanks for playing, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.